Hey all, today decided to talk on grooming and etiquette. Now, looking to the changing scenario. Currently, of course, we are quarantined, but after that, when a lot of foreign companies are coming in, a lot of scenario is going to change. Most of us don't pay much attention on grooming and etiquette. We feel why it is required, and generally we have a thing. Grooming means what? Keeping ourselves clean. Of course, we take a bath, we cut nails, we keep our hairs clean, we keep our clothes clean. Then what else is required? But grooming is much more to that. So when I talk of grooming, it is, of course, your body grooming is your first priority. But apart from that, how you talk, how you walk, how you behave in public, what is your communication style, how you communicate with people, your elegance, and so forth. So many things. It includes lot of things when I talk of grooming. It is one of the part is your personality development. Now, what is personality? Grooming is personality development is a part of grooming. So when I talk of personality development, you already have a personality, you're confident, then still why you need a personality development? Personality development focuses on the key areas of like what basically you are, what are your thoughts, what are your surroundings, what is your behavior currently, what is expected out of you, how you are dressing currently and how you should be dressing, because what you have thought for yourself and what you want to yourself to be portrayed. So accordingly a lot of analysis has been done, and then these things are taught. So trust me, once you go through grooming, proper grooming, what you looked yourself, even when you look yourself in the mirror prior to that and after that, you will have a lot of change. Your thinking will change because the way you dress, the way you talk, the way you manage your complete day, your behavior, your communication, your physical appearance. Trust me, friends, that even changes your thought. Because thinking process, हमें ये लगता है ना, we feel what like my dressing and my thinking, no connection. My thinking is my thinking. Trust me, try yourself. One day you just dress up the best in your blazers and everything, and watch your thoughts. Just observe what you think, how you spend your day, what all things you do. And one day just wear any casual clothing, your comfort zone, whatever you are in, and observe your day. Will make a lot of difference. Communication, it's a skill. You can develop that skill. So if you focus on developing this skill, it not only improves your relationship, maybe your family relationship, your relationship with your spouse, your friends, girlfriend, whatever, your colleagues, your bosses. So any relationship, if you know the right kind of communication style, and if you develop on communication skill, trust me, friends, the first benefit you get is your relationships are very strong with everyone. You don't spoil your relationships. Second, you are able to convey exactly what you want the other person to do. Otherwise what happens, अरे तुम नहीं समझ रहे हो मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ या कहना चाह रहा हूँ, ये होता है, is because the difference in communication. So that is the second benefit you get out of this. The third and major benefit is, if your communication is good, you get all success, you get things done. So that is again a big achievement of your life. When you are happy, I feel apart from earning or your success, the most important thing is to be happy. And if your communication is right, you will be happy because you will have probably no conflicts. You know how to resolve it with your communication. So you will have no conflicts, and if no conflicts, you are more on a happier side. Now comes etiquette. Etiquette is again very important. We are social people, social, we are humans, and we are a social animal. Now understand, if somebody barges in to your private space, you will like it? No, you won't like it. If you are sitting in a cabin and somebody just barges in without knocking, you will like it? No, you won't like it. These are small things. So there are many etiquette. Etiquette on phone, your toilet etiquette, your eating etiquette, that is called your dining etiquette, your social behavior etiquette, how to behave at home is an etiquette. So it is, we generally have a habit कि नहीं यार मैं तो देसी अच्छा मैं, of course, be yourself, do not change yourself, but you need to learn certain things which makes others comfortable. You're not doing it for yourself, you're doing it for others to be comfortable. And we being a social animal, we should definitely pay more attention that because of us nobody is disturbed or nobody has a problem. So learning different kind of etiquette helps you to make others comfortable, and when you make others comfortable, indirectly you are making yourself more comfortable. So that's it. I wanted to just share a few inputs on these things, and definitely I'll keep on updating as and when with my videos. Thank you very much. Keep watching.